am Nikita H. Welcome to Code to Create channel. Before getting into the video, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please do watch the video till the end, and if you liked it, please like it and share it with your friends. Friends, if you have any comments, please do comment below in the box. Let's go for it. In this video, we're gonna see how to make a small e-commerce app using Python. It's very small, which includes cart in it, and it doesn't have payment option. Yeah, that's all. It's very small one. That's all to say. So let's begin the code. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the choice of the user. So I'm saying choice is equal to input of. So it is basically a variable. Choice is a variable that I have initialized, and I'm asking the user the input, and I'm asking the user, do you want a dress or a shoe? Do you want dress or shoes, or let's just say like bag, or all of them? Yeah, let's come down, and here let's create a if condition saying if choice is equal to dress. Then so if choice is equal to dress, then we are printing out cart. So basically cart is just a variable that I forgot to initialize. Let's do that. So I'm saying cart is equal to, it's just a normal list, that's all. So I'm saying print cart. Yeah, now it works out. And here cart is equal to dress. You have ordered a dress. Yeah, you have ordered a dress, and then I'm printing out cart. Let's come down. Let's say else if choice. First let's complete the choice variables, and then let's go to the next one. You have more exciting stuff. Yeah, it's let's say it as shoes. So if choice is equal to shoe, then print out cart, and then cart is equal to you have ordered a shoe. Yeah, then let's say else if bag, choice is equal to bag, then the cart is equal to you have ordered a bag. Let's come down, print cart. Let's come down, and let's say else if choice is equal to all of them, then print out cart. And wait a minute, I'm just initializing the variable over here. Cart is equal to you bought a dress and a shoe and a bag. Then let's come down and say else print out choose a proper category. Yeah, so let's come inside the dress. We have various dresses, so let's just remove this cart from here. Okay, first let's just run this and check it out, then let's see what to do. Just print out a normal stuff and then choose proper category. So here it should be like an input, so I'm just putting this up. Input. I don't think so. I have input somewhere else. Okay, let's just run it again. And now I'm saying all of them. Let's see the input. Yeah, so you saw you bought a dress, a shoe, and a bag. So it's working fine. So we can just remove this cart up for now. And let's say over here, now let's make the variable as type dress is equal to input of do you want a short frock or a long frock or a short skirt or a long skirt. Yeah, and now we have another if condition. I think we'll have to delete this also. It would be better if you would delete this. Let's come up, yeah. And let's say if, let's come down, delete this iteration first. Let's say if dress is equal to short frock, then. So if the option is short frock, then you're printing out cart. And I'm setting the cart to cart is equal to you have ordered a short frock. Let's copy this and do the same for the long frock. Let's do Control V. Yeah, let's make it as long frock. Yeah, let's do the same. Let's come here, and actually this is else if. Yeah, let's make first delete this up and delete this. Okay, this is fine. Let's say else if this is a short skirt, then the cart is going to be short skirt. And oh, we forgot to print the cart. Let's do that. Print cart. Let's come here, print cart. So let's copy this up. I think this is better. Let's copy. Let's come here. Let's delete up this iteration. Let's do Control V, and this is long skirt. Long skirt. Yeah. We have to add another else if I'm really sorry, but yeah. Let's say option. Let's name this variable as option. Let's say option is again an input. Let's say the input as do you want to see the cart? Do you want to see your cart again? Yes or no. So we're asking the user if he or she wants to see the cart. Let's do that. Let's say if another if condition. Let's say if option is equal to yes, then you print out the cart. Print cart. Let's come out, and then let's say else if option is equal to no, then print out car. Okay, print out. Okay, it's your wish. Yeah, so now there's something wrong. Yeah, we'll have to end this up. Now let's run it and check. This is a long process. So let's say dress. Let's say long skirt. Yes. And see, you have ordered a long skirt. That's great, no? So yeah, now we know how to make a small cart or an e-commerce app. That's great, which includes cart but does not have the payment method. Thank you, friends. Bye-bye.